Hi, good evening, and welcome to my channel. I hope everyone's having a great day. I'm having a good day today because today, number one, today's my birthday. Number two, I received not one, not two, but three subscription boxes today. So I'll be unboxing those, not all in the same video. So I'll have three videos that will probably go up tomorrow. And the first one is my Yes Oh Yes for May. Yes Oh Yes is a monthly subscription, and Yes Oh Yes is a monthly subscription. You receive 3 to 7 full-size products, and it is $13.99 a month. And let's see what I got for me. And the first thing I got is Laritzy Cosmetics, and it's a dew pot. And I'm guessing that it's loose pigment, but let's see what it is. And it is in the color, it looks like it's Halo. So I'm guessing that's the color. And it's not loose pigment, but that's what it is. So let's see if I can find paperwork and see what any of this is. Let's see. Okay, there is a card that says May 2019. The moment you realize you will never pay full price for makeup, yes. Your monthly savings, 79% off retail. Okay. This is 5 de Mayo, Cinco de Mayo. It's a blendable highlighter. Oh, awesome. I haven't had a cream highlighter, so we shall see. It feels nice and smooth. It feels nice and smooth, and I kind of like that. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. I can't even see it. It's right there. A little bit of a gold shimmer. Let's see if I can build it up a little bit. I kind of like that. I actually have a couple, like, eyeliner. There we go. Highlighters that came in like tubes, and I haven't tried those yet either, so but I'll be giving these a try. One of the reasons I haven't tried them is because I have an Ofra highlighter. Let's see. And that's what I use as my highlighter right now, and I absolutely love it. And it doesn't even look like I've used it, but I do. Alright, so I'm happy with that. I like to try new things. And then next we have a mask. It's a Detox Diva Exfoliate and Detoxify with green tea, lemon, and cactus. That's interesting, especially since I live in Arizona, so I'll have to give that a try. See how that works. And I'm actually saving the biggest one for last, so that. And the third item I'm seeing is Marabella Lip. Cute packaging. Lip definer. Good, I don't have too many lip pencils. And this color is in Tease. That's what it looks like. Oh, I like that. I like that a lot, though. I'll go with a lot of colors I have. Awesome. So far, I'm happy with this. And then next thing we have is something that I already have. It's a Pill Hydrographic Lip Gloss. And I really love this, but I'm going to actually gift it to my daughter, whose birthday is in a week, and hopefully she won't see this. If she does, happy birthday, Leanne. That's one of the items that you're getting. And then next we have the last but not least is what I was waiting for. It's Beauty Creations Seduce Me palette. It has the colors on the back, but I will open it. that's what the colors look like. And it does come with a mirror. These are some interesting colors. Safe word, FYEO, dirty talk, fantasy, climax, bite me, pillow talk, favors, obey, inner goddess, submissive, 50 shades, explicit, risque, romance, sensual, amour, and intimate. Interesting names. Okay, I'm not gonna swatch them all, but I'm gonna swatch some of the matte and some of the shimmers. So let's do 50 shades and risque. Oh wow. I like the shimmers. I'm not sure about the mattes. But there's the matte, the light purple one. That one's the matte. And that one is risque. And this one is 50 shades. I'm liking the 50 shades. The 50 shades, it's more purple than that. It looks brown, but it's purplish. And actually, I'm going to do a couple more. I'm going to do climax and fantasy. Okay, I'm not sure which one I got. Okay, that's fantasy. And then the shimmer is climax. I really like those. And I'm really, really excited. This is only my second palette. And I know some people aren't, have a lot of palettes, but I actually like this. I like these colors a lot. The other ones I have like some greens that I'm wearing now, but I think I'm gonna like these, and I might even mix some of these with the others. Actually, I want to see safe word. I don't like the silver. Let's see if I can find a finger that I haven't used 8,000 times. There's safe word on my thumb right there. I love that. Love it, love it. All right, I'm happy with this. I'm actually happy with this bag. I actually am happy with these palettes, and I'm actually happy that the palette survived, because my dog decided to knock it off my bed earlier. So to recap, I got Beauty Creations Seduce Me. Some very interesting shade names. I got the Appeal Hieroglyphic Lip Gloss, which I love, but I am gifting that to someone. And never mind my nails, so sorry, I didn't have a chance to do them today. And then Lyric C Cosmetics, Dupont in the color Halo, which I did have to look up and see what a Dupont is, but it's a highlighter, which I'm excited about too. And by the way, I was going to say what color this is. I forget it. And I'm not seeing it. Okay. And then we have the Marabella Lip Definer in the color Tease. That would go well with the colors in the eyeshadow palette. And last but not least, we have Detox Diva Face Mask with cucumber, with lemon, green tea, and cactus, which I'm excited about. So we have 2, 4, 5 items. They said 3 to 7, so for $13.99, I think that's pretty good. Again, thank you for I shouldn't say again. So thank you for watching one of 3 videos that I'm doing on my birthday. Subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video. I would appreciate it so very much. You don't know how much I would appreciate it. And I'm very thankful for the subscribers that I do have. And also check the bell icon for notifications of any future videos, including the other 2 I'm doing tonight. Thank you. Have a good night. Bye.